The Autoglym Interior Shampoo is what I use for all of my car and my van cleaning needs on the inside. Not if you've got leather, but Autoglym have separate leather cleaner. But otherwise, this is what I'm going to use for the cloth seats, what I'm going to use for the carpets, and the hard surfaces as well. This will go over everything. It's not got silicone in it. It's not going to make that horrible, tacky, cheap looking shine that is also slippery. Nightmare stuff. I hate silicone-based products. Doesn't got it in it. Smells good, cleans effectively, and it does what it says on the tin. All you've got to do, vacuum your car out first, if that's what you're going to do. Spray this on, wipe it off with a microfiber. It's going to get it clean. It's going to do the job effectively and efficiently. This is not an aerosol, so with some aerosols, sometimes the aerosol finishes and it ends up with, you know, product left in there that you can't get out. This stuff, it's a spray bottle, which means what you buy is what you can be able to use. That's the sort of thing I like. Anyway, yeah, I really love it. I trust Autoglym products and I've used them for many years, so big thumbs up from me.